guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your appearance on Schedule 1. So you can either be male or female. You can adjust the weight here as well. You can change your skin color here too, and then you can go and change like your hairstyle here. And you can also change the color of your hair as well. I'll do like a pink bob next. Face, there's slight smile, pout, smug, and agitated. You can also add facial hair if you'd like to. Facial details, you can add wrinkles or freckles, and you can adjust the intensity. Next is the eyes. You can change the eyeball color and the pupil dilation, as well as the upper eyelid resting position and the lower eyelid resting position. Next, you can kind of make your eyebrows real thick here and make it bigger, longer. You can also adjust the resting height and the angle. Next, you can add in clothing. Let's make it all pink. And then you can either have sneakers or sandals. Next, you can press done, and that is how you can customize your appearance on Schedule 1. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.